We all want our children to be achievers, right? But to be an achiever, one has to be a good learner. To make a child a good learner, we should not depend on the classroom curriculum. We have to encourage him to read more and more books. But in this age of technology and gadgets, it is difficult to make children interested in reading books. Try these simple do's and don'ts to motivate your children to study more. Do's. Number 1. Choose the first books wisely. Children get interested in illustrated, activity based books. Ensure their first books are full of images and content that initiate creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving skills. It would make them fall in love with books from an early age. Number 2. Read more. Control your screen time and engage in reading. Storybooks, newspapers, your favorite magazines, whatever be it, you have to read more to motivate your child. Create a reading atmosphere at home. Number 3. Set up short term goals. Help your child to set up short term goals to achieve a big target. Encourage him to make his own study plan so that he feels motivated to follow it. The urge to meet the deadline of a short academic goal makes a child motivated and he wants to study more. Moreover, he has to be aware of the purpose of his study. Number 4. Set an exciting place. Children get interested in studies when there is a nice and pleasant space without any distractions. Necessary tools like pencils, erasers, and other materials should be handy. Number 5. Appreciate. It is not about success always. Appreciate your children when they are working hard to achieve something. Nothing can motivate children more than the love and support of their parents. Don'ts. Number 1. Don't punish. Don't punish your children if they fail to achieve something. This will demotivate them. Number 2. Don't engage in phones or TV. When your child is studying, don't engage yourself in chatting or browsing the internet. Ensure the sound of a television or other noises does not disturb him. Number 3. Don't get impatient. Never act impatiently when your child is reluctant to study. Try to understand the reason behind it. Don't stop noticing the symptoms and analyzing whether everything around him regarding school and friends is okay. Number 4. Don't compare. Comparing with others can demotivate your child. She will lose interest in doing well in something. So, do you want to get more quick tips? Then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.